Hi friends, I want to show you how to select all row for a particular condition. Like in this Excel sheet, we have lots of column, and this is basically a sale sheet. Means how many product has been sold and how much profit we got. So this kind of sheet. So in our daily life, we can use this formula because sometimes we get some Excel sheet where there is lots of data. It may be student marks and it may be some product values. So and we need to highlight the rows satisfying some particular condition, like students having more than 100 or sorry, more than 80% marks, or more than 60% marks, and we want to get the details for that students, like name and how many marks they have got for other subjects. So in that way, uh, we need the information. So likewise, so we can select all the rows for a particular uh, value. Like here, I want to show you, this is the profit column. In this profit column, there are values like 46, 112, 31, 26, 160, 24. So there are few values, those are more than $100, and there are few values, those are less than $50, and also some in between values are there. So I want to show how you can select this full row for a particular value. The value I want to select, like profit more than $100. I want to select that kind of rows. So you got guys, right? So I want to select the row which is having profit more than $100. So how can I do that? First, I need to select this table, except the column head. I need to select the values only. Mind it, guys, I need to select the values, not the column head. If you select column head, it won't work. The formula will not work properly. It will not show any error, but it will not work properly, so you won't get your desired output. So here I want to create new rule and select this option, use a formula to determine which rows to format. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I am selecting this and I want to write the formula is equal to if. So basically profit column is I, column number I. So I want to give the dollar I, sorry, I, and then this is the value for row number 2. So I2 greater than 100, TRUE true, if else is false. So if it is true, then I need to highlight all the rows with this particular color. So here you see number font border. So I am clicking on fill tab. Now I am to select this yellow color. So click on OK and then OK. So my formula is if dollar $I2 greater than 100, and if it is true, then select the entire values for that particular row with yellow color. So here you can see, guys, the profit is $112. So I have selected this whole row. Similarly, this is 160, so again more than $100. So this formula is selecting this row. There is no other row which is having more than $100. So in this way you can check and whole sheet, means how many row are there, more than $100 profit. Similarly, you can select less than 100 also, or in this way. Go to manage. You can delete this rule. Click apply. OK. So now it's gone. So again, I need to select this row. I need to select the values on which my formula will be applicable. So I need to select that values and then go to conditional formatting, new rule. Again, I need to do one profit column. So is equal to if $I2 less than 50, true, if n is false. So I want to highlight the row where profit is less than $50. So with color like green. So click OK. This is the formula if $I2 less than 50, comma true, comma false. Then I am selecting this green color. Okay. So there are lots of values less than 50. So here 154 is there, so that's why it is not selected. Excuse me. So you can see 46, that is less than 50, so it is selected. 31, 26, 22, 27, 18. Those all rows are selected by your rules. Okay, thank you guys. Today we have learned this conditional formatting for selecting all the values of a row for a particular value. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and also you can post your comments and what kind of video you want, you can write there. Thanks. Bye.